Hello everyone and welcome back to the Millionaire House. If you're new here, my name is Melanie and in today's video I'm sharing a back to school tween bedroom makeover for my youngest daughter, whom we affectionately call the girl twin, but her name is Delaney and she has definitely outgrown her little girl space, so I'm going to share all of the details on this makeover with you today.
At the Millionaire House.
This video is brought to you by Great Big Canvas. I figured we start by taking a look at the old bedroom. This is Delaney's old furniture. She got it from her older sister once she outgrew it. Great pieces of furniture, but they are definitely for a younger girl. The drawers were definitely too small, and really the overall look was starting to be a little too young for her. It's the perfect furniture for my niece, so we gave it to her and we designed a space that Delaney can grow into, hopefully for years to come. So let's talk about the lighting first. The lighting was the most important feature in this room because Delaney is a child that does not like the dark. She does not like sleeping in the dark. So my goal was to give her at least 3 sources of light. She actually has a source of light on each wall, starting with this gorgeous chandelier. You all helped me pick it out on Instagram. It just brought the perfect amount of elegance and that Art Deco vibe that we were looking for, and we just think it's a great addition to the room. On the next wall, we kept the old lamp from her previous room. It just had some gorgeous strands of crystals that really just seemed to complement the new space, and she wanted to keep it, and so we did. On the next wall, we moved the fairy lights that were on her main wall behind her drapery panels. Next, with the floor lamp that was previously next to her bed, I was originally going to keep that lamp. It just didn't seem to fit in. I even tried to add some crystal strands to it, but it really just didn't seem to fit into that Parisian chic look we were going for. And then I walked into HomeGoods the other day and I found this Wishweed floor lamp by Rachel Zoe, and I thought, oh, this is so perfect. It screams Delaney, and it's just a delightful addition of light right next to her bed space. I also added some picture lighting over her great big canvas just to give her a little additional accent lighting over her beautiful view of the city. And on the final wall, I just recently the other day found this Good Vibes Only at HomeGoods, and I picked that up, and then on her shelving above I added some fairy lights so they're battery operated and she can keep them on at night and they won't disturb her while she's sleeping. And finally, a desk light to give her some extra lighting while she's finishing up her homework at night. Moving on to the furniture and accent pieces. One of the biggest problems we had with the previous furniture was the lack of drawer space. Those drawers are perfect for toddlers and younger girls, but as children get older, they need more space. So I found this dresser. I really had to search high and low for one this wide. This is a 72-inch 9-drawer dresser, but it gives her the opportunity to really organize her space. And I just styled it with some dusty rose-colored pampas grass in a clear glass vessel. I found this long slender tray at HomeGoods. I really like it because it'll encourage her to corral all of her things and keep the clutter down to a minimum. Finally, I added in a new mirror, also by Rachel Zoe. I found it at HomeGoods. If you recognize the paper petals, then you are a true OG subscriber. You've seen these before in my oldest daughter's room. This is one of the first pieces that I featured, I think, on YouTube. Anyway, she is going to update her room for the first time in several years, and we decided to repurpose these petals and put them in Delaney's room. I also found this feather piece at HomeGoods. I just thought it would be really nice in here. And then the panels I found actually at JCPenney. They were just the perfect color. Also a dusty rose, but it leans towards more of a purple, and that's her favorite color. And then I just added the rest of the paper petals and a couple more accents on the other side of the window. This end table is temporary. She needs something a little more substantial there, but haven't found that perfect piece just yet. And on to the main event. A huge thank you to my friends at Great Big Canvas. They sent me this gorgeous piece of Le Tour Eiffel et Sacré-Cœur, and I had never really seen a view of the city from this perspective. This is a view of the Parisian skyline at twilight, and the lights in the canvas are illuminating key landmarks in the city. And finally, even though she has a study station literally just outside of her door, she doesn't like working in that area. So we added her own desk and gave her some extra space to get very organized for her last year of elementary school. And finally, the bed. Delaney has been eyeing this bed for at least 2 years. I shopped around but couldn't find anything that was really comparable. This is the Devon daybed in a full size. I noticed when I was shopping, a lot of the daybeds come in twins, but she just needed more space than that. So we got it with in the full size, and it has a trundle so she can pull out extra sleeping area when her cousins come over. This transformation is one that she can truly grow into. I left the walls pretty plain because she changes her mind a lot. And so this gives her room to add different paint colors or maybe some wallpaper. But she is totally delighted with how everything came out, which makes my heart sing. And hopefully you got some ideas as well. My babies are big kids now, and they will be ready to go back to school here in just a few weeks. Summer has gone by so quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. As always, love and peace.